My name is David Thomas, and I'm a Lovespoon carver. The background with our family workshop, my father, he set it up back in 1975, and he's been carving Lovespoons since 1969. The story that we tell people when they came in, see, is he carved that one trying to save himself from buying an engagement ring. And so Dad thought that because he recorded a point in time, he realised that that's what you could do with the Lovespoon. So that's what we do today. We make a Lovespoon to record each and every single year, and we've managed to keep that going since 1969. The Lovespoon tradition, it dates back to the 17th century. So the earliest dated spoon that we have in Wales, it's dated 1667. The Lovespoon, of course, a Welsh tradition. We've used all sorts of different Welsh symbols, and as a family, it's become almost like a potted history and a diary of what we do. So as mentioned, Mum and Dad engaged in 1969. It was a long engagement, so they waited until 1971 to get married. So that one there, that's their wedding Lovespoon. And this one's a bit of a break from the Lovespoon tradition. So today we generally see it that a Lovespoon should be made from one single solid block. Where that came from, nothing sort of written down about it, but it's a convention we tend to stick to. But having said that, there's no rule or reg on that, and these ideas, they're always open to a different interpretation, so we don't sort of tie ourselves to it. But other than this one in our collection, all of the other Lovespoons that we have, they're all made from one single solid block.